Welcome to the Liquid Layer. I'm Aaron. In today's video, we have a lot to cover. We had a lot happen this weekend in terms of price action on the coins that we normally cover on the channel, which is really good to hear. A lot of big stuff to cover, a lot of news that happened in the macro. And if you watch the channel, you know that we don't make a video on Saturday and Sunday normally. We just take it off. And we are back here on a Monday to cover the news. And we're going to be talking a little bit about the price action because that's kind of the main stuff that's been happening. So recently, Bitcoin has absolutely sprung out, and it's led to a lot of the coins that we've been talking about on this channel, Pump on Lighter, Hyperliquid, and more, having really good price action. As you can see, the past couple days for Bitcoin have been really solid. Right now, it's sitting around 78K, and we're kind of in limbo right now to figure out, is it going to chop here, or is this rally real, basically? Is the bull market officially back on? Is this thing going to keep moving up? Hyperliquid made new all-time highs over the weekend. It touched over $80, almost going to 80. It went to about 83, almost 83 and a half on the top, on its local top, and now it's kind of pulling back. Lighter almost went to $4. You can see right here on the top, it went to $3.80. Really good stuff to see. Hyperliquid and Lighter, two foundational parts of this channel that we have been covering for months now, and it's really good to see them absolutely play out because these are two projects we believe in a lot. And of course, Pump Fund as well, another project we've been covering on this channel for a while now. And I posted my article on Pump Fund literally right down here, like damn near at the exact bottom. I think it was like right here. And I've been talking about Pump Fund the entire bear market. And it's good to see now the market realizing how dominant this platform is and how great of a company is. And I think all of these projects, Lighter, Hyperliquid, Pump Fund, are going much higher from here. You can see Pump Fund made some massive moves, having days where over 30% candles happened to the upside, and this chart looks absolutely amazing. You can see right here, it's looking like it's halfway through breaking out of this valley right here, kind of similar to the Lighter chart, and I personally believe that, I don't know where it's going in the short term, and I'm not shocked that these coins are having a pullback. You can see Pump Fund's down 10% today, but this is a pretty healthy pullback after having a couple green days, and I'm kind of glad I had this because it just, it's a little cool off before things can kind of settle down and move up again. And I personally am liking Hyperliquid, Pump Fund, and Lighter all long term. I think they're going much higher from here. Yeah. Now let's go to our macro. So macro, there's a lot of stuff we're going to kind of go over everything because a lot of stuff happened over the weekend as well. Canada to officially announce regulatory sorry guys, I've been driving a lot. It's been a lot of driving, so sorry I didn't read this, but announcing some tariff stuff against the U.S. tomorrow. Treasury Secretary Patent says he expects a major financial institution to be sanctioned this week. U.S. to impose additional 7.5% tariff on Chinese goods. And there's a lot of stuff. The Treasury is doing buybacks. A lot of stuff is going on. And yeah, as you can see, the Bitcoin price has been, reflecting a lot of the stuff that's been coming out of Washington and stuff like that. Now, I want to show you guys the pump. Let's take a look at some of the pump data real quick. Just take a look at the daily buyback and burn for the pump token. Just take a look at this here. Look at this chart. Look at what it's been doing in the past month or two. Chart has been slowly moving up and up and up. And all this means is that every single day there is, well, not true. I was about to say every single day means there are more pump tokens burned, but it means that more money is being spent to burn a certain amount of pump tokens because as the price moves up, less pump tokens are being burned. I guess depending on some pricing. Of course, once again, it's one of these situations where if the pump price comes down, then the amount of tokens burned is going to increase. So that's why I actually don't mind when pump pulls back because I know they're going to keep making money and keep burning more tokens. So really good stuff to see there. So we go to Hyperliquid Eco. You can see there is strong buying pressure. People are buying this dip. Whales are out. I think one of the days where it candled over like 20%, there's over $20 million worth of TWAP buys. Right now, the next 24 hours is about $2 million worth of it. If we go to the cryptocurrency rankings, I kind of want to just point something out real quick. So Hyperliquid currently has a FDV of 74 billion, okay? Pump Fund has an FDV of ranked number 40 of 3.5 billion. Guys, Pump Fund is, and Hyperliquid too, but Pump Fund especially is grossly undervalued. There is so many protocols that are ahead of Pump Fund right now in the rankings that will get flipped. And Pump Fund has already flipped a ton of protocols already, but there is a lot more to come. And same thing for Lighter. What is Lighter's FDV? It's, where is it? 3.37 billion. Once again, an absolute joke. So lighter and pump fund absolutely grossly undervalued. Hyperliquid's still going to go much higher from here too. All protocols that we cover on here have been excelling. Hyperliquid, lighter, even Meteora's been pumping. If you take a look at Meteora, that's another one we cover. I mean, it had a pretty nice rally. I mean, that's a good one from 16 to about 25. I mean, that's damn near 2x right there. So almost 100%. Really good stuff to see right there. But yeah, guys, that is it for the video. I think tomorrow will probably be a little more good in the head because I just came off a couple days of driving a ton. And now we are stationed and ready to get back to work and everything like that. So really excited to keep covering the market. And I'm personally, I think, you know, I'm not balking at any of this dumping happening right now. I think if you're buying the dip, not financial advice, you know, could be a good move. But that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Telegram. And yeah, thank you for watching.